Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, it's very clear to see that Bitcoin is slowly making a recovery as it was able to reclaim 84,000, and majority of the altcoins are also following the trend and possibly about to break over the key resistance level to get into the next leg of the bull market. I have been paying attention to your comments. Some of you have said, Sky, please show us some pre-sale tokens or some early gems that we can get into. Recently I stopped doing that only because of the fact the market was in a harsh condition, but now there is a little bit of sunlight, so let me go ahead and show you guys some tokens which I have been paying attention to. First of all, if you just look at the meme coins category, it took a really big hit, but which token is actually holding off very well? It's very clear to see that Pepe is one of them, as in the last 24 hours it is up about 12%, so definitely there will be more eyeballs towards it. Well, there's one token which is called Pepe meme. What is Pepe meme? The most memorable Pepe meme is the original Pepe. So this Pepe token, which was called, the original meme was not called Pepe, it was actually called Pepe meme, and that's why they are creating this token. Now they have already been discussed on some very big exchanges, or you can say big platforms. I mean, CoinMarketCap actually wrote a review about them. At the same time, Cointelegraph was able to do the same. Is the next altcoin ready to explode after the pre-sale ends? So they do have some, respectable attention and respectable sources that they were able to get attention from. What is this token about? Well, in simple term, tap to earn. Tap your way to rewards, compete fun tasks and social challenges to earn exclusive airdrops. They are going to be releasing their own app for Play Store and also Apple Store, and then you guys will be receiving some sort of airdrop VVP, so you'll be able to go against a player to try to win, and then you will be able to connect through socials. In Q4, which was 2024, they've already completed that. Currently, they're in Q1. Solana SPL token is ready. Pepeverse over 100k players, and they're gonna be doing more things. And by the end of 2025, they want to get the launchpad also ready, so they will be able to launch more meme coins on their launchpad, allowing bigger platforms and just allowing for bigger things to happen on their platform. This is their fans. Just to give you perspective, Pepe meme is followed by many big people such as Jeff Bezos, even Matthew Perry. Their tokenomics looks like this. So the community is 37%, 14% to airdrop, 3% to funds, 8% to contributors, 12% to private sale, 20% to auction, 2% to advisor, and 4% to the liquidity. Overall, the Twitter, is a big deal because you can see the amount of reach that they have is kind of impressive. Every single tweet gets a good following. Even their Telegram has about 32,000 members, so they have a good reach over there as well. And you can see that Business Insider also wrote a report on them, how Pepe the Frog became a symbol of hope and hate. So overall, they're definitely getting into some big names like Forbes, Time. So what do you need to do? Well, if you want to purchase this token, it's actually very easy to do so. You just go to the link in the description. It will take you to their website, click on buy now, and then you guys just need to connect your wallet and just put in how much USDT you would like to convert into this token, and then you guys will be given the Pepe meme, and you will be able to just hold on to it, and you guys will be receiving a bonus for simply holding the token. And this is probably your last chance because their market cap is sitting at 3.4 million, but once the pre-sale comes to an end, which I'm estimating to come to an end close to 10 million, it's already going to be a very good return. At the same time, I just want to mention this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my personal opinion. They already have 3,700 followers, actually holders of this token. At the same time, make sure you guys do your own research. It's your money. I'm not giving you financial advice. This is just my personal opinion because I do see a pretty decent, potential in this token in the coming times. And also the team is trying extremely hard to try to get more and more people involved with this project. And it's not just like a meme coin. It's more like they're trying to build something on top, such as the launchpad, get the Pepe verse game going. So, AI meme coins and also launchpad. And there's just too many things happening with this project which one of them needs to click to ensure that the overall market of this token actually does extremely well. Currently they have 40,000 players and 500,000 people in the community, and they are definitely building up. If you do want to check them out, the link will be in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.